यूसीसीआई रो सभापति श्री ब्रह्मा मिश्र, मंच पर उपस्थित ओडिशा रो मान्यवर मुख्यमंत्री श्री मोहन चरण माझी महोदय, ओडिशा रो शिल्प मंत्री संपद स्वाई महोदय, मंच पर उपस्थित आर्सलर मित्तल निप्पॉन स्टील रो श्री टीएस शान भोगू, आदित्य बिरला ग्रुप रो श्री अर्धेंदु महापात्र जी, सीईओ वेदांत श्री सुनील गुप्ता जी, काउंसिल जनरल ऑफ चाइना Zhu Wei, MSME डायरेक्टर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया श्री पवन कुमार गुप्ता जी, इठी उपस्थित वेल्सपन रो श्री चिंतन ठक्कर, श्री डॉक्टर सनक मिश्रा जी, नालको सीएमडी श्री श्रीधर पात्र जी, शिल्प विभाग एवं एनर्जी शक्ति विभाग रो सचिव श्री हेमंत शर्मा जी, मंच पर उपस्थित बलवंत जी, उपस्थित समस्त अतिथिगण, मंच सामना रे उपस्थित समस्त अतिथिगण, गणमाध्यम रो समस्त बंधुगण को सर्वप्रथम आजिकारी सभा को स्वागत करने सह ओडिशार माटी को महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ को भूमि को आपण माने समस्ते आसी थिबारु आपण मान को समस्त को जय जगन्नाथ। एठी बसी करी सुनुथली हेमंत जी जबे आपणकर सामने कथा कहूतले ता पूर्वरु सीईओ आदित्य बिरला एवं आपण को आर्सलर मित्तल रो समस्ते कहिला समय रे मु सुनुथली समस्ते ओडिशा रो माइन्स मिनरल्स एवं ता वैल्यू एडिशन रो कथा कहूतले। मु भाबुतली हेमंत जी भी सही प्रकार कही करी बाहरी जीवे और भल लगला कि से मो विभाग कृषि विभाग भी दुई पद कथा रखीदेले आपण को पाखरे। आई वुड वेलकम एनी industrialist who wants to invest into the agriculture sector, because there was a time when we were not self-sufficient in the agri sector. Today, Orissa is not only self-sufficient in the agri sector, but all the steel manufacturers or the steel industries or even the aluminium industries in the state, I would like to pose a question to them. Why do you not think of having value addition in agriculture implements within the state of Orissa? Why is it that Orissa has to import everything from outside the state? If you want to take your industries forward, then you must look at having value addition of your products also within the state of Orissa. Since the Honorable Chief Minister is here on the dais, and since we are looking at in having you all partner in the development of the state, I would like to put across a question to him to consider. When investors are coming to the state, if you provide them the land free of cost and charge them a lease amount, it will make the process quicker and the investment would become, the project would become viable. We have to think out of the box. We have to think out of the box. We have to make things move ahead. We should walk the talk, not just talk the walk. Friends, I don't want to mention anything about the last comment, but I can assure you, we have a Chief Minister here who has his heart and soul connected to the ground and the realities of within the state. We worked together, he as a MLA and I was a minister. Today I am working under him. I have no qualms about it that today he's become my senior. I want you to all understand one thing. If there is togetherness and if we all think positively for the development of Orissa, along with you all, we can give you a better Orissa. The Prime Minister has talked about look east. Today you all are here because you heard the Prime Minister talk. Wherever he goes, he says Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath has become the buzzword as far as Orissa is concerned. Development is required, and I'm sure with all of you here in the audience, you are going to look at things positively and talk positive about the state so that it can move ahead. And in the coming days, Orissa, as rightly pointed out by Hemant, the Prime Minister has said that Orissa is going to be the #1 state in the entire country. I am a firm believer that Orissa is going to dictate the industrial growth of the country in the coming years. And with these words, I would like to thank you all for looking at Orissa, coming to Orissa, being a part of Orissa, and being a part of the growth engine of development in Orissa. Thank you ever so much. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत. भारत माता की.